This is the product that's making thousands of dollars, whereas only 1,000 competitors are available. In this video, I will show you step-by-step guide on how to start a similar business in less than 10 minutes with the help of AI, from planning to designing the final product and making it look professional. So, grab the notebook and pen, because what's coming your way is nothing short of mind-blowing. Get ready to embark on this incredible journey with me, because we're about to unveil the uncharted scope of opportunity. Let's get started. This is none other than crystal meaning cards. These unique cards act as your personal guides, providing an introduction to the enchanting realm of crystals. Every card is like a spotlight, illuminating the distinct energy properties of a particular crystal and offering valuable insights. Now, if you go to Etsy and search for crystal meaning cards, you'll observe very low competition. You also find that most of these listings are getting new sales consistently. Even if you were to browse Amazon for that product, you would still observe a scenario where there is a high demand but limited competition. As an example, consider this listing that offers printable crystal meaning cards and generates an estimated revenue of $2,700. Now, take a look at another listing offering the same product, but with an astonishing estimated revenue of $7,800. It's truly remarkable. These cards are being sold through various methods and design variations. In one listing, you'll find printable cards, while in another, they offer editable cards. Alternatively, you can explore listings for square-shaped cards. So, the earning possibilities within this niche are boundless. If you want to create this type of card, the first step need to do is analyze existing successful products. To inspire the development of something similar, it's crucial to understand that making money doesn't always require inventing something entirely new. Instead, check what's already working and add your unique touch with this. As an example, when examining this best-selling product, you'll notice that they're providing 400 cards for just $50. You might believe that producing such a large number of cards would be time-consuming, but rest assured, I'll demonstrate how you can generate hundreds of them effortlessly with just a few clicks. When we examine the design, we'll immediately recognize its simplicity. It includes the name of the stone, its corresponding meaning, an image, the stone's properties, and an affirmation code. Understanding the design structure is essential for our future ability to create our own version, while delving into the description provides additional insights, including design dimensions and some other information. Next, I encourage you to thoroughly analyze a wide range of reviews, both positive and negative ones, because this will help you create the best version of your product. I also suggest organizing these reviews into separate tables for positive and negative feedback. For instance, when we receive feedback indicating that the design appears complex, it suggests the need for us to maintain simplicity in our designs. Similarly, if feedback points out that the font is hard to read, it means that we should consider enlarging it, among other adjustments. With this understanding in mind, we know what the design should include. We can go to ChatGPT and request the creation of a set of 10 printable crystal meaning cards. These cards should feature the stone's name, its associated meaning and properties, as well as an affirmation or quote. We'd like the information neatly organized in a table format. Once you hit the Enter key, you'll receive the necessary information, which is organized and ready to use. Given that, there's no necessity to individually research every stone and compile all the information, and after generating the card content using ChatGPT, the next step is to move to Mid-Journey where we create the stone images. Afterward, I'll assemble all the components, and I'm thrilled to report that the results were nothing short of astounding. As we know, to generate AI images, you need a prompt that describes the image for the stones. I need a close-up shot that looks realistic. Here's the prompt I've composed. To begin, we specify the stone's name, accompanied by a high-quality close-up shot against a pristine white background in stunning 4K resolution, resulting in images with a professional and lifelike appearance, as you can see on the screen. However, if you have 100 stones, constantly altering the stone name in the prompt formula can be quite challenging. To address this issue, here is a solution. Open the chat containing the generated list of stones, apply the prompt formula for each stone, and within seconds, you'll have the prompts ready for each one. All that's left is to copy these prompts sequentially and paste them into the Mid-Journey to generate the images. To create a new design on Canva, first, specify your desired dimensions. Afterward, proceed to upload all the images with their backgrounds removed. When looking at the template, my plan is to position the stone's name at the top, followed by its significance and accompanying image. At the bottom, we can place the description along with an inspirational quote. After investing some time, this is the output design. We should create multiple versions. For instance, we can opt for a dark background with a luminous white font, or we can reshape the card into a square, so feel free to get creative, as this will make you stand out. Now, to generate the remaining cards. You usually duplicate the design and change the content for each card. However, this can become quite time-consuming, especially when dealing with a substantial number of cards to be created. Here's an alternative approach you can take. Once you've finished designing, go to the app section on the left side. Search for bulk creation and select the first option. Enter the data manually, and you'll see a table displayed on your screen. Return to the ChatGPT, where you generate the table of contents, and choose the table content from the top to the bottom, then copy it. Finally, return to Canva. Click on the first row, and paste everything here. As you observe, we have now arranged all the information, starting from the stone name and extending to the quote. If everything appears satisfactory, press the Done button located at the bottom. In this next stage, we'll establish the connection between the data and the elements in our design. Begin by selecting the stone name in your design, right-click on it, select Connect Data, and choose the stone name. Repeat this process for the meaning, and continue to do the same for the remaining elements. Once you have everything connected, click on Continue and then Generate Pages, and like magic, you've generated all cards at once. As you can see, the content has been added for each one. Begin by replacing the stone image by simply dragging and dropping it into the design. You can check and edit the spacing between the elements to ensure everything fits properly. Once completed, your cards should be ready for sale. As previously observed, the majority of listings offer cards as digital products, wherein they exclusively provide the design in PDF format for customers to print themselves. Now, of course, I highly recommend selling digital products. For this particular item, allow me to demonstrate how you can distinguish yourself by selling crystal cards as physical wall art. I searched for this card on Etsy, and I couldn't find any listing offering crystal meaning wall art, which could be a great opportunity for you. To embark on your print-on-demand business, with minimal initial expenses, my recommendation is to begin with Printify, which in my view, stands out as the top-notch platform for this purpose. To get started, the first step is to sign up for a complimentary Printify account. Once you've done that, you'll gain full access to their entire product range. As you can see, Printify has a huge product catalog with many options. However, before choosing the product we wish to offer for sale, it's essential to establish a connection between our Etsy store and Printify. To do this, simply navigate to the left, access My Store, and proceed to add a new store. To integrate with Etsy, first you have to click on Connect to Etsy, after that log in to your Etsy store. The subsequent step will be to choose a product for selling. When you navigate to the catalog, you'll notice lots of categories. In my particular situation, I aim to sell Walmart products, so I'm going to choose posters. As you can observe, there are many options, but I'll choose this one right here. Following that, proceed to click Start Designing. You can now begin adding and personalizing your product. Initially, select the poster sizes by navigating to the Product Variants section. At the top, you will find a compilation of the available sizes alongside their associated production costs, enabling you to pick as many as you desire. After that, you should upload your design, making sure it aligns with the print area accurately. Upon clicking the Preview option, you'll see what your design will look like. Once you are done, click on the Save Product button. During this stage, you have the opportunity to modify product details, including images, titles, descriptions, and pricing. Feel free to make any necessary changes to the title and description as well. As a beginner, you can check similar listings to yours for inspiration, or alternatively, utilize ChatGPT for assistance in this regard. So if you scroll down a bit more, you will encounter the pricing section. Within this section, you'll find the retail price, representing the amount at which you'll sell the product. The profit is the earnings generated from each sale, and the production and shipping costs signify the expenses associated with order fulfillment. Keep in mind that you can always go back and make changes to this information in your Etsy store. So don't overthink this step. After completing all your preparations, simply click the Publish button, and just like that, your product will be listed on Etsy. This means that when you receive an order, it will be automatically sent to Printify, where it will be prepared and shipped directly to your customer. Imagine you receive an order worth $30. Then go to Printify and order the product for $15. Printify will print the order and ship it directly to your customer. Thus, you've earned a profit of $15 without any concerns about handling printing, shipping, or inventory. I personally recommend diversifying your sales strategy by offering both digital and physical versions of your cards, which can enhance your opportunities for profit. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.